Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Monday informed that the High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh, Pranay had written to him informing that they had agreed with the proposal of the government of Meghalaya for setting up a memorial of Utirut Singh. Speaking to reporters, Lyngdoh said that Verma had informed that the High Commission of India in Dhaka has taken up the proposal with the Ministry of External Affairs and ICCR and has highlighted the importance of establishing such a memorial at Indira Gandhi Cultural Centre, Dhaka. Lyngdoh also said that the High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh also in addition suggested that the library may be renamed as Utirut Singh Memorial Library.
Kalau ada ke correspondence ten hak wajong ba sanbor te ni ka super hendiat kalau bangi pan pada menta ba mende tambangin bu yo umat jong yang jong Utirut Singh hau library hendai bikin ai ka space la ka jong na menta jongi but yang ta ka space pada ngin ai ka ten baik hau Utirut Singh ke banlong baik da ka library tang bangin ya cahmat buat kini ke proposal ke bangi community bangin pendat jom pukul jom medasnya.